Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. You want interesting and attractive dance routines from figures which are described in technique books? Don't miss this video series and enjoy sound technical demonstration by Edgars Linis and Eliza Ancane, our current Latvian champions in standard dances and also former Latvian 10 dance champions in youth group. And we start today with Tango routine number 5, Fallaway reverse slip pivot, steps 1, 2 of reverse turn, outside swivel, steps 2, 3 of Promenade link and back Corte. So we start with Fallaway reverse slip pivot. Timing is 4 quicks. Syncopated version is not allowed in restricted syllabus. Then steps 1 and 2 of reverse turn. After that we will go outside in CBMP across line of ladies movement and do outside swivel. We continue with steps 2, 3 of Promenade link. Again, steps 2, 3 of Promenade link and back Corte. Let's look at man's steps. Man starts with left foot, forward to side in Fallaway back and pivot, forward to side, back in CBMP swivel, forward in Promenade tap, to side, back to side, close. Lady steps, lady starts with the right foot, back in Fallaway, pivot, forward, back, side, forward outside partner swivel, forward, tap to side, forward to side, close. And now with teaching count, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Now let's discuss footwork in slip pivot. What do you think about footwork in slip pivot for man? So is it necessary to do standard technique when right toe is in contact with the floor all the time, or you can release it? If you choose to show more progressive version of Fallaway reverse slip pivot, you can release a right toe from the floor. But if you want to show third step and then collection, so like timing 1, 2, 3, 4 and then continue, then of course you do standard technique. Now let's agree that when you teach Fallaway reverse slip pivot for beginners or for dancers who learn restricted syllabus, we have to teach with correct basic footwork in slip pivot, so man draws toe all the time with contact to the floor. Because name itself, slip pivot, means that you slip toe and then pivot. You can decide release right toe from the floor in slip pivot only if you dance in open class program. So again, restricted version and quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.